look at our new home, Lily. It is beautiful, right?
Wow, it is so big, Mom. What are we doing now?
Today is our first moving day, honey. I need to carry these boxes into the house.
Can I help you, Mommy? I want to carry something too.
No, baby, these boxes are too heavy for you.
Aww.
Don't be sad, Lily. When I'm done working, I will take you to the park, okay?
Can I just walk to the park now, Mommy? I know the way.
Oh, no. Lily, what have I taught you?
Oh, little kids should not go anywhere without their parents. Is that right?
Exactly. Listen, Lily, let's make a pinky promise about some safety rules, okay?
Yes, Mommy. I love pinky promises. What are the rules?
First, my little lady, you must stay put under this tree. Can you be a good girl and wait here until Mommy comes back?
Okay, I will stay put right here. I promise I will not move even 1 inch.
Good job! Also, sweetheart, remember to never go anywhere with a stranger. Even if they have yummy candy or pretty toys, you just say no, okay?
I know that, Mom. No, I never go with you.
And one last thing, darling, only play inside our yard. You can have fun here, but please don't go out of the gate. Promise?
I promise. I will only play in our new backyard and stay near this big tree.
Thank you, sweetheart. You are the best. I will be back in just 2 minutes.
Okay, Mom, don't worry about me. I have my toys here.
All right, let me carry this big box inside.
Okay, Mommy, let me play by myself. Oh, what is this? A red ball of yarn? Oh my, a kitten! You are so cute. Where are you going with my yarn? Wait for me.
Okay, Lily, I finished with the first box. Lily, where are you, honey? Oh no, the gate is open. Oh my God, where did she go? I must find her now. Lily, can you hear me? Excuse me, oh my God, please help me. I lost my daughter.
Oh no! Take a deep breath, young mother.
Okay.
I can help if you describe her to me. So what does she look like?
Well, my daughter is 5 years old and very active. Her name is Lily.
Okay, Lily. What is she wearing today?
She is wearing a bright red dress. It is her favorite dress.
A red dress. Let me think for a moment.
She also has beautiful blonde hair. She is very cheerful. Oh, do you see any little girl like that?
Let me see. Wait, I saw a little girl 2 minutes ago.
Really? Was it definitely her? Was she alone?
Well, I saw a girl in a red dress near the corner.
Oh, thank you so much. I need to run there now.
But wait, there is a small problem.
What is it? Is she okay? Is something wrong?
You mean, are they okay? I saw at least 4 or 5 girls in red dresses.
What?
A school bus just dropped off many children over there. There were a lot of little girls.
Oh no, this is a nightmare. How can I find her in a crowd?
Don't panic. All the children were walking toward the mini-mart for snacks. I believe your daughter must have gone along with them as well.
The mini mart at the end of the street? Are you sure?
Yes, they were all laughing and heading inside the store.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. You are so kind to help me.
Good luck, Sarah. I hope you find your little Lily soon.
I will check the store right now. See you later. Excuse me, please help me. I lost my daughter, Lily.
Oh no, please calm down, ma'am. How can I help you?
Are there any kids inside the store?
Sorry, you were some minutes late. A group of kids just walked out.
Oh no, what can I do? Aha, can you check the security footage for me?
The security camera? Why?
I heard that she went into this store with a group of kids. Can you help me? It is very urgent.
I get it. Let me check it for you. What time did she go missing?
It was just a few minutes ago. Please check the time at 4:15 p.m.
Okay, 4:15 p.m. Let me rewind the video for you.
Thank you. Let me see if I can check the last time we saw her.
You're right. Knowing the exact time helps us track her faster. Well, Is this your kid?
Yes, there she is. That is Lily in the bright red dress.
I see her now. She's near the exit door of the store.
Wait, did she come inside with the other children?
No, look closely at the screen. She didn't enter our store. Where was she going?
Oh my, she is running straight toward the local park.
Let me check the camera outside the gate to see her direction.
Yes, please. We need to know which way she turned.
I'm so sorry, Sarah. The outside camera is broken today.
Broken? Oh no, we were so close to get her.
I'm truly sorry. We cannot see where she went after the gate.
I feel so sad, but at least I have a clue. She's definitely going toward the park.
Is she fond of that place?
Yes, the park is her favorite place in the whole neighborhood.
Then you should run there now. I hope you find her safe.
Thank you so much for your kindness. I'm going to the park. Lily, wait for Mommy. Excuse me, officer. Please help me. I lost my daughter, Lily.
Oh no. Stay calm, ma'am. Can you describe her to me?
She's 5 years old. She's wearing a bright red dress and a ponytail.
I am sorry, Sarah. There are so many children here today. I see at least 10 little girls today.
Oh my God. Do you have any security cameras in this park?
I am afraid not. This is an old park, and we don't have a camera system yet.
No cameras? How can I find her in this crowd? Oh no.
I am so sorry, young mother. I wish I could help you too.
No, no, no. What can I do? I'm such a bad mother. Where can I find my little Lily now?
Wait, don't cry. I have a great idea. Look, I have this portable speaker.
Oh, what can we do?
We can use this speaker to call out for Lily and ask others to help. Give it a go.
Can everyone hear me? Please listen. My daughter Lily is lost. She's in a red dress. Lily, where are you?
Great job. Attention, everyone. We are looking for Lily. Lily, Lily, if you hear this, please respond to your mother.
This is a good lesson. We must ask for help from the crowd immediately.
Yes, public awareness is very powerful in big places like this. Oh, did you hear that? A kid said, "Mommy."
Yes, it sounds like Lily. It came from the lake.
I heard it too. It's an echo from the distance.
Lily, Mommy's here. Come to Mommy.
Everyone near the lake, please listen. There was a little girl in a red dress there. Please lead her to the security station.
Oh, please. Please let that be my Lily.
Don't worry, Sarah. People are looking now. Look, over there.
I see someone. Someone is holding a small hand near the water.
Mommy! Mommy, here I am.
Oh my God, Lily, come here, baby.
I missed you, Mommy.
Oh, I missed you too. You are safe. I was so scared, honey. My heart was beating so fast.
I am so sorry, Mom. I saw a cute kitten. I followed it out of the gate. I'm sorry.
What happened after that?
I saw a group of children going to the supermarket. I followed them, but then I saw the park far away. This park is so pretty, so I walked here to play.
Oh, Lily, I'm happy you're safe. But listen carefully. You must never follow a kitten or any animal away.
Yes, Mommy, I know my mistake. I will not do it again.
If you're lost in a big building like the supermarket, ask for help. Look for people in uniforms like the staff or security guards. They can call me for you.
Like the kind man with the microphone?
Exactly. But the biggest lesson is to stay put and to never, ever, ever wander off.
Yes, Mommy. I'm sorry, Mommy.
I am sorry too, Lily. I also have a lesson. I should not leave you outside alone. Next time, I will wait until we are both inside the house.
It's okay, Mommy.
Yes, sweetheart. We both learned an important lesson today. Now, let's go home, but first we must say thank you.
Thank you so much, Officer Bobby. You saved my day.
Thank you, everyone, for looking for my daughter. Let's go home and have a nice dinner, Lily.
Let's go. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun quiz for you. Please comment below and tell us, what animal did Lily follow to the street? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.